Hi there. Thank you for trusting the NICE1 unit for your business. Let's get this unit easily maintained and ready to go. Here are the supplies you'll need. Starting with an empty unit, pour the distilled water into the system and connect the hose to the test fixture. Next, touch the top left followed by the top right of the start screen to access the diagnostic menu. Follow the on-screen instructions to start the unit, checking the internal diagnostic values. Once the diagnostic values are confirmed, attach the drain and begin the drain cycle of the unit. When the unit is drained of distilled water, pour the pre-mixed CLR solution into the reservoir and attach the loop back to the end of the hose. Follow the same instructions to run a diagnostic. Note, we keep compression off when running a diagnostic through the loop back. Once the unit has been flushed with the CLR solution, attach the drain and drain the unit. We recommend during this drain cycle to add distilled water back into the tank to ensure all CLR has been cleared. We recommend using compressed air to remove any dust, hair, or dander that may have been built up in the grates. Wipe down the outside of the unit and the hose with an alcohol wipe and remove any buildup from the connector with the alcohol Q-tips. Once the unit is cleaned, you are ready to have a nice one.